Measina Treasures of Samoa presents Tamaiti, a video subscription where you teach your children Samoan at home. Here's a sneak peek for all of those who are interested in Tamaiti. Okay, so we're going to start by putting our arms out to our side. We're going to turn to this left, anga vale, bend down, put our leg out, and lele, lele, fly, fly. Put our leg down, turn to the front, then we're going to turn to our right, taumata. We're going to bend, put out our other leg, and we're going to lele, lele, fly, fly. Stand up again and stop. Do you know what that was? If you guessed the va'alele, the airplane, then you are correct. Yay! Do you know something else that I need help finding? My lima matua. Are you ready to help me sing this song? Okay. Ofele lima matua, ofele lima matua, o ulene, o ulene, o whaapewe mai oi, whaapewe mai oi, manuia whawhetai, manuia whawhetai, ofele lima tusi, ofele lima tusi, o ulene, o ulene, o whaapewe mai oi, whaapewe mai oi, manuia whawhetai, manuia whawhetai, o whele lima la poa, o whele lima la poa, o ulene, o ulene, o whaapewe mai oi, whaapewe mai oi, manuia whawhetai, manuia whawhetai, o whele lima tu mama, o whele lima tu mama, o ulene, o ulene, o whaapewe mai oi, whaapewe mai oi, manuia whawhetai, manuia whawhetai, o whe Tamaiti lima, o whe Tamaiti lima, o ulene, o ulene, o whaapewe mai oi, whaapewe mai oi, manuia whawhetai, manuia whawhetai. Yay, we found all of our fingers. Yay, we found all of our fingers. We had our lima matua, our lima tusi, our lima lapoa, our lima tu mama, and our Tamaiti lima. So we're going to put our lava on and tie it around our waist. And we're going to take off our shoes because we shouldn't do the siwa Samoa with our shoes on. Ave ese los de vai. So we've got no shoes on. So before we start, we're going to do a little bit of an explanation. Are you ready? So we're going to start with a tomoe, where we run with our arms up and put our foot back. So we've got our running and our foot back. Running, foot back. Yeah? So we start with our tomoe, and then when we reach in front of all of our people in front of us, then we ifo. We bow to them. Ifo. Ifo. Yes? And then we start to dance. So if we're boys, we will do the aiuli, and we bend our knees and we bounce with our knees like this. Yes? So you can do it with our hands like this. We do it with our fingers pointed out. We can even do our hands. Yeah, you can even slap your thighs or clap your hands. But yes, mostly moving side to side, like a bit of a bounce. Yeah. Point your fingers, put your wrists, put your fists. Yes. And now if we're girls, then we would bend our knees, legs a little bit apart, not too much. Bend our knees, hands out, and it's like our hands are talking. Yes, our hands are talking. So hands out, go side to side. And that is our basic Siva Samoa. Again, you do the pati, clap, and slap your hand, legs, clap. You can move your hands out, but hands are always talking. And we can even move our legs, point our feet, and we can go forward and back, forward and back.